never asked me to be mighty, only to come as I am. Not a soldier in my own strength, but a child within your hands. You delight in simple offering, every whisper of my heart. Only what I have, Lord, I lay it down. Little as it seems, still it brings you joy. Not the strength I show, but the love I give. Take my little grace, make it yours to